Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ayurveda and your health. Friends, in this video I will tell you some magical weight loss drink and you can reduce your 10 kg weight in just 10 days. In today's world, everyone want to reduce their weight. They are doing exercise, they are doing heavy exercise, they are taking medicines for just reducing their weight. But in this video I will just tell you a homemade remedy by which you can lose 10 kg in 10 days. So if you want to reduce 10 kg weight in just 10 days, be with me and watch my video till end, and don't forget to share it with your nears and dears so that they can also reduce their 10 kg weight just in 10 days. The ingredients which you need is ginger 1 teaspoon, lemon half, honey 1 teaspoon and water 2 glass. First of all, what you have to do is you have to grind some ginger, put 1 teaspoon of it in 2 glasses of water and heat it. When the water remains a glass, remove it and sieve it. Let it cool down, and when it becomes lukewarm, add half lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Mix it well and your magical weight loss drink is ready. I hope you like this information. Don't forget to share it with your nears and dears so that they can also reduce their 10 kg weight in just 10 days. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Ayurveda and your health. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you friends.